Got our track setting right. And we're going to drop the windows because we got to do that. Go on track. We'll turn off the air. Don't need that. All right, so you can kind of hear me, right?
Oh yeah.
All right.
Yep.
So I'll be talk us through what we're doing and what as if you're kind of a student, and also check in with you as to how things are going.
Okay.
We roll through the pit area here. This is the hot pits. This is the staging area, and they'll want to see my wrist bracket. They'll want to see your chin strap. They'll want to see your. Not sure what he's doing. I guess he's doing. And they want to see your wrist band as well. All right. Here we go. We're going to get on track.
All right, go for it.
Okay, so we're going to take this corner. We're going to come out mid-track, just managing my steering. I'm going to go track right, nice and smooth. Head to the top of these gators. A little bit of brake. We turn in way early. It seems way early because we're going to use all this track. Now some good braking. Got to slow down enough to make this the sharpest corner in the whole course. Now we're going to line up for the snake, a series of small curves here, nice and easy. All right, uphill escalator, nice and smooth. Just gently touching the brakes. Open the wheel, right to the corner. Down straight. This is where Oak Tree used to be. A little light brake, and our long back straight. Corner. How are you doing?
Doing good.
Good. This is called the roller coaster. Nice and smooth. A little bit of brake, turn in nice and early. We're going to catch the bottom of this, I call it the hook, and we start feathering on the gas for our front straight. Downshift done. We're basically in a little bit of a four-wheel drift all the way around turn 1 and 2, managing my steering and my throttle. Right up to the gators, a little bit of brake, nice early turn in. We're going to use all the track we need, wherever the momentum takes us. Yellow flag flashing. Got a guy off, right in the middle. See him?
Yep.
How you doing?
Hanging in there.
All right. Nice and smooth up there to the left. That was 115 miles an hour up the uphill Essex. Good braking. The Oak Tree, do you want to go in this time?
Yep.
All right, we're
Yep.
going in.
Yep.
Good job.
I think that's what's getting to me.
Yeah, I think so too. Because we're going downhill at the same time that we're navigating these corners.
Right, right. Yeah.
So I put my fist up in the air. That's the universal signal that we're going in. We'll hug tight to the curbing here. Leave my fist up in the air. Car behind us knows that we're going in, so they're free to pass. I give them a point by anyway. And get our air conditioning going. Get some cool air blowing on you and it'll be good as new. As we come down pit row here, I'll indicate to him that we're going in just by pointing over my roof and telling him where he's not even looking at it, so he doesn't care.
Sorry about that, Tom.
That's nothing to be sorry about at all. We got done what we wanted to do.
Yes, we did.
You made it 2 good laps and blowing and going, and I don't know what speed you wanted to hit, but I think we were at I'm going to say 155 or 157. We'll look at the tape.
Yeah. No, I think it was the immense. What really surprises me, the immense braking.
Yes.
That you have to do.
Yeah.
Which caught me off guard. Then I had to start using my feet to.
Yes. And that's not unusual. In fact, I don't know that you know Rob Council. See if you can pull on that strap like you want. Nope, not that one. The one that's right underneath your chin. That one there. Pull on that. Let me see if I can pull this up and we can get this off yet. Just pull on it some more. There you go. Now you can pull that thing off. Rob Council, who used to go to our class, he came up with me. He's come up with me a few times. No, not Rob Council. Rob Crosswhite, who you might know. He runs sound. Rob Crosswhite. He came up with me just one time, and he said, "Tom, you know what?" Because I always ask people. Here's our Porsche voice. Oh, they're all so nicely waxed. I'll never forget what he told me. Because when we came off track, I usually ask people, well, was that kind of what you expected? Was it different? How was it different? Whatever. Yeah. And he told me, he said, Tom, I was prepared for the high speed. In fact, you don't even notice it on the back straight because there's nothing around us to tell you that we're going that fast. But how he phrased it was, he said, I was not prepared for the violent braking.
That's what surprised me. The other thing too is I find that I have to do is when you're racing, obviously it's not sightseeing. You're not looking off to your left and right.
Yeah.
If I was to do that, it'd be a type of deal. Yeah. So I had to stay focused. I wanted to see what you were doing speed-wise, and I couldn't even do that.
Yeah.
So.
Well, let's take a look at